Hello everyone. So welcome to this short introduction to the new Testo 550i digital manifold. In this case, we introduce you to the Testo 550i Smart Kit. This kit consists of the new Testo 550i and two wireless temperature probes, Testo 115i. Let's start right away and look into the case. So, in the case we have on the left side some quick start guides for the 550i and for the smart probes. And in addition, we have the calibration protocols stating the accuracy of the instrument as it gets out from production. On the right-hand side, we have the instrument itself and the temperature probes. And we have different compartments within the case where other probes can be stored, for example, a vacuum probe. Or also there's place to leave the hoses on the instrument and move them around the instrument so that you don't need to every time take off the hoses, store them somewhere else, but everything can be stored in this case, enough place. Then let's have a look at the instrument itself. So here we have it, the Testo 550i. It's very compact. You can see it when you compare it to my hand. The most compact digital manifold in the market today. And yeah, it feels great. And to power it actually on, you don't have to do anything but pressing it on. And after pressing it on, you can see here the LED is blinking orange, so it's waiting for a connection. And actually, for sure, we have to connect this manifold to an app so that the values can be shown. There, the quick start guide helps because on the top side of the quick start guide, there's a QR code. And just by scanning this QR code, you can see here, a link will open. And by pressing this link, you get to your country-specific app store. And there you can download the app. We already downloaded it beforehand, so we will now open it right away. Put it here. Quick start guide, we don't need it as of now. And what you can see is on the app that the instrument directly connected. It can also be seen here on the green LED. So now we have connected it. We can see 550i. We have the low pressure side, the high pressure side. As refrigerant, we have chosen R11 now. We can choose any refrigerant we want, let's say R12. And for sure, the theoretical temperatures will adapt accordingly. There's also the possibility to set like refrigerant favorites. So this will now move up the list and is always on top. For sure, to actually do a good measurement, we have to have also the wireless temperature probes. So let's take them out. Move this. And to power them on, actually, you just have to remove this strap. Just pull it out. And then you can see that also directly the probes goes into a searching mode. Put it here. Pull out also the other one. So now both probes are searching for a connection. And as you can see, the first probe is already connected here. The second probe is connected here. And when both are connected, for sure, the app also starts to calculate the superheating temperature, the subcooling temperature. As we don't have an application now running, for sure these values don't make much sense. What you then can do is, when everything is set up, you can start a measurement in the app. So it's now running. That enables that a graph can be seen, or all values can be seen in a table. We can stop a measurement and save it. And when we have saved the measurement, we can for sure make a report as PDF or as CSV and send this report via email or just store the measurement within the app. Moreover, for sure, there are in the app, in the smart app, a lot of additional applications where you can use smart probes with. For example, you can add to this setup to 6 or 5 eyes for doing target superheat measurement, or you can add volume flow smart probes to do actually a volume flow measurement. So everything is possible within this app, and this always at a long range. The 550i, for example, has a range of over 150 meter Bluetooth connection. So this is how you can work smart, and this is why we have done the Testo 550i, and I hope you will enjoy working with it.